According to concerned members of the public, whilst maintenance is still underway here at the Morobe Education Office, it's difficult for the teachers and parents' queries to be attended to on time. They said it has also been very difficult for them to find the respective officers to attend to the queries.
Even though office run down, renovation going on with the office, but teachers' needs should be addressed. From now on, education officials coming in late, 10, 11, 12, or even some did not attend to their duties. Now, it is frustrating. Teachers now, you can see, waiting around here. Now, I don't think this thing shouldn't happen in near future.
So they should have a proper office. Even though renovation is taken on, they ask the provincial government to allocate a proper office for us to now render all these things. So we should be motivated, and then you cannot find any teacher standing here. Everyone will go. They will go to their job. Us who are on retirement, we will enjoy ourselves.
Morobe Education Division Office is one of the public office in Ley that is currently under maintenance for the first time after 20 years. Construction began in November last year and was supposed to be completed in February 2021. However, construction is still in progress.
All our officers do not have any place to stay. Everybody just queuing outside and talking to teachers outside only. But what I'm asking is, all the officers who are working within the division must be with us. We are using the appointment office, so we've given the appointment office for everybody to work in. I'm working here with the TFF coordinator and the guidance officer. And inspectors and other officers we've given ERICU Resource Center, material office, so that they have a big space there, so they can work there. So all our clients, they come, they go straight to those places.
According to the Provincial Program Advisor for Education, Tangui, the officers are supposed to be working at their designated areas and not staying at home.
Our officers have seen fit to stay home just because the maintenance is going on, and now I'm recalling them back to make sure we deliver the service. We help the people rather than placing effort on one person only to do the job. So I'm calling everyone, we work together so that beginning of the year, all teachers are posted well to the districts, children are in class, and then later we can enjoy all the good time that we have. So now is the time that everyone has to work together while the maintenance is going on.
Meanwhile, the PPA attends to the queries whilst located here at the Finance Office. Tangui said most of the queries are supposed to be addressed by the district education managers and the inspectors.
What our district education managers should be doing is to attend to those problems at the district level, in their office at the district. Small things like appointment, where there's a problem has been developed between the teachers and the Board of Management, or any other problems should be solved at the district level first. But many people are just coming to the province and very small issue that we can solve at a district level, they bring to the province. So I'd like to ask all the district education managers, inspectors not to send people to our provincial office.
Julie Badui, Owa, National EMTV News, Ley.